Hello, here's our notes for lesson 42. We're doing a type of third declension nouns called I stems. They are remarkably similar to regular third declension nouns. First, quick review, how to recognize that a third declension noun is neuter. We had a couple patterns. Asaurus, like corpus corporis. We had acerus, like walnus vulnerus. And we had words that had an N-inus pattern, like carmen carminus. Flumen fluminus. All right, those three patterns will show you that the noun is third declension neuter. Now, one new thing, how to tell that a third declension noun is an I stem, which we'll learn what I stem means in a second. But first, how to recognize this pattern. If it ends in an es or is in the nominative singular, and it has the same number of syllables in the genitive singular. So for instance, our word chides, which we've used so much, is actually an I stem because it's chides, chitis. And that means it's an I stem because es or is in the first form, same number of syllables in the second. Also, if it's got an ns or an rs in the nominative singular, it's always an I stem. So words like pawns or moors are I stems. Or if it has a one-syllable nominative singular and its stem is two consonants, it's an I stem. So for instance, the word mons, montis is an I stem because it's got one syllable in the first form and a double consonant stem. Or the word pons, pontis, with an NT there, double consonant, or mors, mortis, with the RT, etc. Anything with that double consonant and a one-syllable first form. Those are all I stem patterns. The only difference between a normal third declension masculine feminine noun and a third declension masculine feminine I stem in the endings is the genitive plural, which will have an IUM instead of just a UM. So, quick review. Third declension endings are whatever it is: is, e, ace, ibis, ace, ibis. And third declension neuter is whatever it is, same endings, whatever it is again, is, e, oops, neuter plural always has, ibis, ibis. All right, now the I stems are going to be the same, exactly the same. You can write them out, but an IUM in the plural genitive. All right, that's it. They're really not that different. Write out the rest of the endings if you don't mind. And now, neuter I stems are totally weird. We only know two of them. They are sea and animal, mare and animal. They go like this: mare, maris, marie, mare. This is all regular. This is all what it should be. First weird one is marie in the ablative singular. So I put a star. Got some extra I's here. Instead of Mara, you have Maria, just like the girl's name. Mariam, which is what an I stem always does. Maribus, which is regular. This has to be Maria because neuters repeat. And Maribus. So not that weird. Mentally, I put stars on these three, the ablative singular Mari and the Marias. Oh, that's third neuter I stems. There are only two. As mentioned, they are sea and animal. All right, that should give you enough to do the rest of the homework. And hopefully that made sense. If not, you can ask me questions.